All right, we got this 2017 Buick Encore in, and the rear end was leaking fluid all over the place. Now, apparently this is a pretty common thing with the rear differential. Part of the case, I guess the casting's very thin, and when they get corroded, they just literally fall apart. So there's a giant hole that's in the top, and as you can imagine, driving it down the road, it's just gonna be spinning the differential, it's gonna be throwing fluid out. Eventually, it's obviously the diff's destroyed because the housing's broken, so we're gonna have to get a junkyard one. But the service all-wheel drive message is on the dash, so the all-wheel drive is disabled at the moment. But like I say, it doesn't matter driving down the road. The axles are still gonna spin the inside of the diff, which is gonna throw fluid around, and that's going to, you know, throw fluid out of that hole. Eventually, if driven long enough, there will be no lube left on the inside, and the gears will probably grenade. That's worst case scenario. I don't know how much longer it'll drive for. But I thought that was pretty interesting. That's the first time I've ever seen that. But just doing a little Googling, apparently that's a common thing on these.